Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. My name is Damilola. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us how I go about this beautiful 360-degree flared skirt showing on my screen right now. So guys, if this sounds like something you want to know, kindly please don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, share with everyone that you know is into fashion. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive right into the main video. So guys, to start with, we are going to be making use of this African print here with me, and I have about 6 tiers of Ankara fabric here with me. And anything lesser than this will not be possible, is not going to work since you are making it for an adult. So if you are making it for a child, you can use 3 to 4 yards, okay? So the next thing I'm just going to go ahead and do now is to fold it into 4. Then we are going to start our measurements. So guys, after folding it into 4, I have it like so. Make sure you fold it into 4. So that's why I said you have to have about 6 yards of African print, and as you can see, I have 4 layers of it right there, and that's how it is right there. Just go ahead and fold yours as well. So the only measurements we are going to be needing for this skirt is only our waistline. We don't need the hip line since it's a free gown, okay? So guys, to divide our waist measurements, I'm going to be dividing it by 4, okay? But before then, we are going to go ahead and rule the border line, okay? We are going to be really those edges that came from the factory. We are going to be cutting it out. So then we are going to be taking all our measurements from the line making right there. So guys, if you want to make this skirt, you can make it within a couple of minutes. It's not even hard at all, okay? So guys, the next thing I'm going to do now is to take my waist measurements and dividing my waist by 4. I have it to be 8 inches. Then I'm going to add extra 1.5 inch to it. Please remember to add allowance to it, okay? Then that will give me 9.5 inch, okay? Then I'm just going to go ahead and start on my measurement from what the angle right there. So you can use either any of those angle, but I'm going to be working with the angle closer to me, okay? Then I'm going to place my tape on that starting line. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a rough curve, okay? Just go ahead and make it like so. You know, I'm working with a flay, so your tape should be curved, all right? So whatever I have there, I'm just going to move it around like so. Then I'm just going to go ahead and connect, okay? So guys, if you understand this very well, within a couple of minutes, if you are making it for yourself, you are done, all right? So just go ahead and chalk it as you see me do. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly please don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, so guys, the next thing is to take my desired length of the skirt part. So guys, actually this part actually depends on you guys. If you want it to reach the floor, that actually depends on you, but I want the total of my length to be 44 inches. So guys, before marking it, I will just go ahead and pin it down in order not for it to start shifting, all right? And that's what I'm doing right there. So sorry for the sound that I entered. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed once again, kindly please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is after pinning it down, and as you can see, it can never start shifting. Please, if you want to take your measurements, make sure you pin it down because you are working with a large fabric, okay? So then I'm just going to go ahead and chop the desired length I want, okay? I want the full length of mine to be 44 inches. Then I'm going to be adding extra 1 inch for the folding parts, okay? So then I'm just going to go ahead and connect 45 inches all the way. So guys, just watch me the way I'm doing because I'm working with a big like the fabric is kind of large, it's big, so I have to just start shifting it all around. Okay, so just start marking it as you see me do. So when you're marking it, you just have to start shifting your tape as you see me do. I hope it's obvious enough on the screen for you to see. Okay, so guys, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, because by doing this for me, it encourages me, and it allows you to push this video to more people like you. Okay, so then just go ahead and start shifting your tape, then start marking the 45 inches you want your skirt to be. Okay, so that is it right there. Just start shifting the tape as you see me do. So guys, if you have someone that will help you hold the tape down, please make sure you make use of the person, because for me it's not actually that easy when I'm actually moving to the tape. Okay, but you can still do it yourself if you don't have anybody to hold your tape. All right. So guys, at some points I don't have the length that I have, like I don't have the my desired length. I don't have the 45 inches at that very point. Okay, so then the next thing I'm just going to go ahead and do is to join another fabric to that part. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and join another fabric to that part, since I don't have my desired length. I don't have the 45 inches I'm working with. Okay, so I just want to take my tape rule across it, as you can see, so that you guys can see what I'm actually trying to say. Okay, so I don't have the 45 inches here, so then that's the point I have my 45 inches. Okay, so then I'm just going to add to chalk it down. All right, so guys, to join this part is not actually hard at all. I'm going to be sharing you some trick to know, so that you won't get confused when you want to join the part to the main skirt. Okay, because when you are joining this part, it's kind of tricky. You are working with the bigger fabric, and so that you just know where to join. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, to that point that you notice that the the length is not up to your desired length, please kindly notch the place down. Okay, I forgot to say this, kindly notch the place down. So after notching it down, so that's when I started cutting it out. So I've cutted my waist, so I'm trying to cut out those lines, the border lines. Okay, I'm trying to cut it out. Okay, so and that's what I'm doing right there. So guys, kindly please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please, I have another handle, which is Instagram. Please and please do well to follow me. It's so sew with Damilola. Okay, at sew with Damilola. I'm going to be dropping it on my screen right now. Please do well to follow me as well. Thank you for doing that. So please just go ahead and cut those plays you see me do. Please go ahead and cut it out. So guys, this is after cutting it right here. Okay, this is after cutting it right here. And I told us earlier that I'm going to be notching some points there, okay, that I'm going to start joining it there. So I'm gonna head to notch it so that I don't get mixed up when I open the entire fabric, okay. Just notch the plates you're going to be joining another fabric to, okay. And that's what I'm going to do right there. Please go ahead and notch it if you don't want this to start giving you issues when you want to join, okay. Go ahead and notch it as you see me do. All right, so then I'm gonna head to notch it and I'm gonna head to sew it down. As you can see, there is another joining at that part down part, okay. So when you iron it out, it will not actually be obvious, okay. And I'm gonna head to trim it out. So the next thing to do now is to remove our back and the front skirt, okay. Then I'm going to turn it right side facing right side. Then I'm going to stitch about 1 inch all the way. And if you notice, the back as is actually 2 pieces, but I had to go ahead and join it, okay. Join the back first before adding my zip. I joined the entire back first before joining the sides. So after joining the two sides, I'm going to lose the back. Okay, again, I'm going to start loosening the back. So that's where my zip will sit. Okay, just go ahead and take the two body shapes of the skirt. Go ahead and take it. So I will head over to my sewing machine now to stitch that down. So guys, please don't get confused. Just stitch the two side, okay? I just have to repeat this before going to my sewing machine. Just go ahead and stitch the two sides, and that's the back I told us earlier, okay? So that you won't get confused. Just go ahead and stitch the back down, like the two back. I told us the back is two. Stitch it entirely so that you will have one. Then you're going to, after doing that, you're going to go ahead and join it to your front. So guys, that is after joining it, and as you can see, I've joined the sides together and I've opened the back of the skirt, okay, the where the zip will be sitting, where the zipper will be sitting. And please do well to iron it and pin it down. And I'm gonna head to cut out my band. I have about 31 inches, that which is my waist measurement. Then I have the wideness to be 2 inches, okay. So go ahead and use your desired length, your desired wide, like the wideness you want it to be. If you want it to be 3 inches, please go ahead and do. So when you want to join it to your flare, I know there will be some excess, but go ahead and notch the center of your band. Then you notch the center of your skirts as well. So when you want to add your band to your skirt, it will start giving you problems, unnecessary problems, okay, issues. Just go ahead and notch it. Even though it will still have some pleating, but if you notch it, it will not give you that stress, okay. So then I'll just go ahead and remove those pins out. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, kindly please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So when you want to sew it down, just go ahead and place your band right side facing the right side, as you see me do. Then you place the notches together. Okay, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Then you start sewing. So if you have some excesses, you can go ahead and pleat it down. All right, so this is after pleating is that this is after sewing is done. As you can see, it is neatly sewed. Okay, it is neatly sewed. Please, when you want to add your band as well, I forgot to tell you that you should add a paper stay to it so that it will be firm a little bit. So the next thing is to go ahead and join our zipper. I've gone ahead to lose the part I said I sew. Okay, I've gone ahead to lose the part down, okay, out. So that is it right there. So when I want to add my zipper to it, I'm just going to I left some allowances that I'm going to be adding my zip to it, okay. Then I'm going to stitch the remaining all the way. Then after stitching it, I'm going to go ahead and fold it as you see me do, but I'm going to be using bias for this so that it's going to be neat. All right, so then after that, I'm just going to head over to my sewing machine and stitch it down. So So guys, this is the end result of the skirt, which is the flace skirt. So guys, if this was actually helpful to you, kindly please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you'll be trying this skirt, if you will be trying this skirt, kindly please tell me in the comment section. Then see you guys to my next video. I love you all, and please do well to follow me on my IG as well at Sew with Damilola. See you guys to my next video. I love you all. Bye.